As the death toll from the western New York snowstorm grows, thousands more people will be without electricity on Christmas. In Erie County, where thousands remain without electricity and at least 7 people perished during the Christmas blizzard, first responders were forced to leave ambulances due to whiteout conditions. Further lake-effect snowfall is expected to fall on Christmas in western New York, where residents are attempting to dig out from several feet of snow. At least 7 people have perished during the winter storm, and many are without power in the bitter weather. The worst winter storm in decades, according to officials in western New York, continued on Christmas with blizzard conditions brought on by lake-effect snow.